I am standing at the most holiest place in Nazareth. In here, standing on the roof of the Carpentry, where St. Joseph used to work. Next to the house of Mary is just around the corner. In here, this is the bathhouse. We'll show that in a minute. The water rain bit, collecting the water from the rain. In here, Saint Joseph, the silent obedience saint, entrusted one entrusted by the Heavenly Father to take care of Jesus. Joseph from the house of David, originally from Bethlehem, was married to Mary. According to the Jewish custom, the marriage goes 3 steps. The first steps, they change the vows and they legally are married, but they live separately. The second stage is the festival. It takes a year to prepare it. After the year, he takes her into his home and they be actually married. When he found out that Mary is pregnant, he decided to divorce her quietly, not take it publicly and take her to court, not do it in person. Where the angel of the Lord appeared to him and said, "Do not be afraid to take Mary as your wife. She will bear a son, and you must name him Jesus. He will forgive the sin of his nation, as written in the prophet by God. A virgin will bear a son and name him Emmanuel." That means God with us. So at this place, Joseph, Mary, and the baby Jesus lived. Exactly the day of us location in the Bible where they lived, but right in this area. And then the angel appeared to him and said, "Take the child and his mother and run into Egypt." After Herod died, the angel appeared to him in the dream again and told him, "Take the child and the mother and go back to the land of Israel." Because Herod's son took over, he was afraid to go to Bethlehem, so he came into Nazareth. They lived in Nazareth, stayed in here. From here, they used to take Jesus into the synagogue in central town. That will be made in a different movie. Joseph, one of the 3 men born without sin. First one is Adam. The second one is Joseph, chosen by God to take care of his only begotten son. And the third one is Jesus. So at this place, as we go in a few minutes, I will show you step by step where the carpentry is, how to get in there, where is the bathhouse. The 7 stairs going down to the bathhouse, number 7 is a holy number. As you see the mosaic, the original one, and the hole inside, there is a stone covering it. When they finish padding, they move in the stones and the water drain away. This is the actual bathhouse from the time of Jesus. We are going to the water collected from the rain, the bit. This water actually used for washing, cleaning, bathing is not a drinking water. As you see, this is the bit used collecting the water from the rain. The rain come from the side here, go inside, and this is the way they use it to collect the water and they use it for their needs. These are the stairs going down into the workshop. The workshop, the door, and the 7 stairs going down. And this is another view of the workshop and the way to get inside. Regrettably, we cannot enter, but you see the walking through here, going inside the workshop. And as the workshop, we're seeing those stairs, going down the 7 stairs. This is the hall, the light we just went through to look around, and this is the actual workshop of St. Joseph. In here, Jesus as a boy was helping St. Joseph doing the work. And as we're standing up, I am actually standing on the top rope of the workshop where Jesus as a boy used to walk. In here, walking around to the Bathhouse. Here going to the synagogue in center of town. We'll be there, going there too soon. As you see, this is the life of Jesus as a boy right in Nazareth.